Next we will see the serial in parallel out shift register. Okay, first we will go to the theory part, then we will discuss the diagram. Okay, in serial in parallel out shift register, the data bits are entered serially, but the data stored in the register is shifted out in parallel form. Okay, so as in the case of when we need to compare, okay, in serial in serial out, we had to fill all the flip flops, right? In the first During the first clock pulse, one is stored here. During the second clock pulse, this value will be copied to this place or shifted to this particular place, and new value will be stored here. After the four clock pulses, all these values will be filled. Okay, and during the fifth clock pulse, what happens is the value which was stored in the flip flop 4 will be shifted out, right, and new value will be stored in f of 1. Okay, but what is the specialty when we compare it with serial in parallel out? In serial in parallel out shift register, once the data bits are stored, each bit appears on its respective output line and all bits are available simultaneously. That is, first of all, we need to fill all these flip flops. Okay, with four clock pulses, what we call the serial data will be stored in all these cases. Okay, then once the bits are available simultaneously, in the case of, that is, we first of all we need to fill all these cases, then uh, we have a connection, parallel connection, all these cases, qa from the first flip flop, qb from second, qc from third, and qd from the fourth one. Okay, so these four bits, rather than on a bit by bit basis, that is, in the case of serial in serial out, we need to, after four clock pulses, after the fifth clock pulse, this value will be shifted out. We need to get that particular value after almost five clock pulses. Okay, but here the data is made available, all the bits are made available simultaneously. That is, after four clock pulses, these four values will be there. In applications where we require four bits at a time, we need to go for serial in parallel out shift register. Okay, please go through.